5 billion years from now, the Sun will expand into a red-hot giant, swallowing first Mercury and Venus, then the Earth in its wake. It will then contract into a white dwarf, a small star that cools, declining from its former power and glory. Finally, it will become a brown dwarf, a cold, dense body in some remote corner of the universe. The Sun's light is its life, the life of a medium-sized star in the sky, on whose birth our own birth here on Earth depends. The Sun's most distinguishing characteristic is its proximity to us. From the dawn of history, we have followed its path in the sky, in a chariot of fire or a papyrus boat that carried the gods, watching in anxious wonder to see whether it would reappear above the horizon over which it vanished come evening. Will it return to light up our skies after the heavy black clouds cover them in winter? Will it free itself from the preying jaws of the lunar monster, who sometimes comes out to swallow it right in the middle of the day? Very slowly, over the years, as we overcame our fear of the dark, we opened our eyes to see that the Sun shines its light on other heavenly bodies as well. Thus, as we deepened our investigation, we came to understand that the Sun is central to the life of an entire system of planets, which orbit it, as does the Earth, each according to its nature. Although the vastness of the universe is impossible to conceive, is it possible to learn from our own world about the laws that sustain it? Can we, from this cold, rocky little planet, stretch forth our hands to the distant reaches of the galaxy to touch the stuff of its makings? What can we learn from the color and energy of our own Sun? What is the secret of its power, and what is the fuel that feeds it? Will that fuel be available to sustain its image forever? Only at the beginning of the 20th century did scientists begin to understand that the incredible power of this giant mass lies in the behavior of its tiniest particles. How do these particles produce energy in the Sun's core, and what is their connection to the Sun's inner structure? How do these tiny particles cross the immense layers of the Sun? Do they continue onwards infinitely, bearing the light of the Sun to the farthermost reaches of the universe?